Hello forex traders, welcome to my screen. How are you doing? How's the weekend going? Today I'll be breaking down gold for you guys. I've been hearing and I've been seeing so many analysis on gold. Some are saying gold is going bullish, some are saying gold is going bearish. But at the end of this video, we'll be able to cover what gold is really doing and look for trading opportunities in that direction. So firstly guys, this is a weekly time frame. My key levels are properly plotted, nice and clean. If you want to learn how to plot the key levels like this, there's a link in the description box. So guys, you can see that this zone here has stopped price from going bullish. First time, second time, third time. This zone has rejected price from going bullish third time, which means that this is a very strong zone. This is a strong level. And at the third rejection, we saw a bearish movement. We saw a low, we saw a lower high, we saw a lower low, we saw a lower high, we saw a lower low. We're supposed to come up here to make a lower high, but somehow we broke above previous low, and now we are currently testing that level. We are currently testing previous low at the moment. We have seen here guys, I explained that gold was going bearish, and this trend line I placed there was to give me a sort of assurance that yes, this is a bearish movement. And you can see here that at the touch of the trend line, price moved bearish. At the touch of the trend line, price moved bearish. So now that we've broken this trend line now, and we're now currently testing this trend line and previous low at the moment. So whatever we do here, so now guys, there's a big bearish engulfing candlestick pointing towards this our counter trend line to retest it. If we come to our counter trend line and with this counter trend line zone and we test it and we go bullish, then that means this is a valid change in trend. This is a change in trend. But if we come here and we go bearish, then this is like an invalid setup, like a false break, something like that, something like a false break. So now we need to wait. But next week I'm sure that the market will still be coming to this level before we can even know what's going to happen. So there are still pretty much selling opportunities in this market at the moment. As you can see, the market is heading towards this place, so very short selling opportunities at the moment. But as a smart money trader, we wait for the big moves to happen. So I'm currently waiting. This is a daily time frame guys. You can see the candlesticks are way smaller. So you've seen, like I said guys, at every touch the market bled to the downside. At every touch the market bled to the downside. At every touch the market bled to the downside. So now that we've broken this counter trend line, and we are coming back to retest it, this is looking like a valid setup, but can also be manipulation. So let's just wait and see what happens when we come into this level. And if we also draw our Fibonacci level, I know you guys will probably be saying this guy likes Fibonacci level. If you drop our Fibonacci level from swing low to swing high, we can also see that this is a zone that we expect gold to rally into next week. That this is a zone that we expect gold to rally into next week. So whatever happens here will determine what we'll be doing onward. So we might come into this zone here, and we might break bearish, and this will just be an invalid, this will be a false break. I might come into this zone and just go position. This will be a change in trend. So that is it on gold guys. We are still bearish until we get to our Fibonacci level. before we know what we're going to do next. So, still trading opportunities going bearish, but for now, I would advise that you wait till we see what happens here. Guys are already here, so let's just wait to see what happens here. It's important that we wait for the big move so that we don't end up blowing our account. So when we come into this level here, then we'll now know what we are going to and take trading decisions and execute our trade with 3% risk maximum. This is how I analyze gold to be currently. I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens, if any other thing happens on gold. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.